BLACK+DECKER 12-cup thermal coffee maker, black silver, CM2035B 12-cup thermal carafe. The large capacity carafe is double-walled and vacuum sealed to keep your coffee at optimal drinking temperature for hours. Customizable brewing options. Drink your favorite coffee every morning using features like the brew strength selector and the option for small batch 1 to 4 cup brewing that maintains all the flavor of a full brew. Evenstream Showerhead. The Evenstream Showerhead dispenses water evenly over the packed coffee, extracting maximum flavor and wasting less. No drip. Perfect Pour Spout. Don't put up with annoying spills. The Carafe spout is designed to prevent spills and drips while pouring. Wide mouth Carafe Opening. The carafe is designed with a wide opening for fast, easy cleanup with a damp towel. The washable brew basket can easily be removed and washed after brewing and is top rack dishwasher safe. Note: cup equals approximately 5 ounces, varies by brewing technique. Tips: 1. Consumer will need to flush properly with vinegar water solution to remove hard water scale from the heater. 2. Consumer will need to switch to a screen basket filter or move away from using softened water. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.